ISR or incremental static regeneration in Next.js. So how to use it? So by default, if we when you will get data using Fetch API, it will catch data in Next.js, and you will get the cached data again and again. So you will never get the updated data if you update on database or anywhere that you will get same data again and again. For updating data, you need to use route config, revalidate, and or you can use face configuration as revalidate. So that is 60 seconds after the data will be regenerated on the background, and after 60 seconds or 1 minute I will get new data every time. Or you don't need to explicitly set here, you can use as a route config here revalidate is 16, or you can use any number as a second. So here you can use, or you can use here, but you cannot use like 60 into 60 like that. So dynamic calculation will be not work here. You need to must be set static number here. So that is it. And if you set this as a static revalidate 0, that means it will be rendered as a dynamic or static server side rendering. So you need to must set, or you can use false for server side rendering, but data will be fetched on the background. For that you need to set revalidate must be number and above or upper 0 for ISR. So that is it. Thank you.